This ODP is meant only for collection for election. That should be a headline. I was saying about infrastructure. There are no proper roads, no proper drains, no proper footpaths, no proper toilets. Garbage is being thrown everywhere. 20 years there is no garbage site, dumping site. But we are ready for the latest ODP, whereby the corporation city of Panjim has not been taken into confidence. The NGPD has finalized the Panjim ODP 2021 without consulting the local authority, that is CCP, without creating necessary infrastructure, without sorting the garbage disposal problem, without sufficient water and uninterrupted electricity supply to the citizen. Citizens of Panjim are getting water for 1 hour and a half hour. If such monstrous projects come, what will be the state of our Panjimites? And how many Panjimites will be there left in Panjim the moment the skyscrapers come? Because Panjimites will not have the money to buy those flats. Definitely not. So imagine who will come. The Corporation City of Panjim strongly objects to the finalization of the Panjim ODP 2021 without consulting it, and will take a decision not to approve. This is very important. The Corporation City of Panjim will take a decision not to approve any construction license of the 2021 ODP. Any builder, anybody trying to be influenced by the government or certain persons can do that on their own risk. We will not pass any construction licenses henceforth.
अमृत प्रकल्पाचे फायनलायझेशन खंय महापालिके कडल्यान जाल्लें ना. NOC महापालिकेन दिल्ली ना.
CCP has not passed Amrut, and here left and right the MLA is laying the foundation stone. We are warning GSIDC, don't stamp on our feet. We will remove all the files and give to Lok Ayukt. We will move the High Court. They will be put in embarrassing position. They will not know which side to look, left or right. CCP has given no NOC. CCP has not finalized Amrut. I, as a mayor, have written 2 letters to the Urban Secretary, Government of India, bringing to their notice that Amrut project has not come to CCP, neither cleared by CCP. So no funds will be released.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी.